Learning Activity 19. Evidencia 7. Workshop talking about logic workshop. Presented by Alexander Álvarez Bedoya. Improving logic efficiency. When in the course developing logic, continuing improvement is necessary of the faster robots and sustained growth. To implement a plan that will substitute optimize your logic operation. Consider strategies that minimize costs, fluctuate production capacity, and provide the overall quality of customer experience. Consider therefore methods to increase logic efficiency, maximize storage, optimize transportation, automate communication technology, encourage feedback. By using strategy for logic management, you can help make the most of all your warehousing, standing, transportation, and communication resources. Logic planning will add to higher productivity, more satisfied customer, and more profit company. Thank you.